Coachina Jackson. I think come inside.
Come inside.
Coach, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Before I agreed to collect this job, I asked Pochettino why them sack him. He said that because of you.
Yo, Coachina, lie yo. I don't get that kind of power.
How many goals you missed last season?
Coach, I don't know. I know they count my misses. I like to dey look forward to my next chance.
Next chance where you go still miss?
Coach,
Shut up! Pocha tell me say you miss to reach 68 clear chances.
have a coach.
Oh, you say shut up! You know how many matches Chelsea for win? If to say you convert those chances, you single-handedly sack a whole Pochettino. People think say na Oga Boli.
Coach, Abana.
Now, since it never even starts, you don't destructure my sack letter.
Jesus.
All because now only you remain with it play 9.
But Coach, you don't be supposed to play number 9 now. I don't be finisher.
Where you supposed play?
I'll be supporting striker.
Shut up your mouth. You are not a footballer. You supposed go find another sport play. I know if it succeed with person where they finish all my chances to make top 4.
Coach, I don't go finish your chances.
I know say you no go finish your chances. Now me you go finish. You don't finish Poche career. He don't go the coach US. Now you won't finish me. Make I go the coach Saudi Arabia.
No, sir.
Get out of here. I need to find new striker.
Coach, I beg.
Go Joe. I no want see you. In short, the only place I won't see you now for training pitch in front of post. Nothing less than 500 shots on target every day until you sabi finish. Hello, Osimhen.
Who be this?
Now Chelsea coach Enzo Maresca.
Ah, Coachila, good afternoon, sir.
Hey my boy, why you dey do shakara for us now? We need striker.
I think so na get Chelsea.
Abeg no talk that thing again.
Okay me I wan come Chelsea but na no one show me love.
Which kind love?
Go ask your Ghana. Me I dey ready like this to enter London. Now dey wait for. If PSG first una, e no concern me.
But that money wey you want make we pay you too much now. We no dey do blood money for here.
No problem na. I go just dey where I dey make una dey manage una Michael Jackson.
Which kind talk be that one now? We need striker wey fit finish.
Tell your oga make e wire money enter my account. All those money wey una dey spend on top unproven zygotes, make una give me. I be correct number 9. If you buy me, na confirm 30 goals every season. If I no score 30 goals, I go refund na money.
But no be so e be now.
Coachila, I respect you, sir. But e be like say PSG dey call me. I dey come.
Oh yeah, wait! Osimhen! Now wow! This our oga sef. We need this guy now.
Come win iPhone 14 Pro for inside 1xBet. The name of this promo na Wow Promo. First register with our promo code GNEXT. Them go give you extra 300% bonus on top your first deposit. Then go for the Wow Promo offer page. Press take part. Find game bet on top. Them go give you promo tickets where you go come use enter for inside the prize draw. You fit win Apple iPhone 14 Pro, 4.5 million naira or bonus points. No forget to always dey bet with sense, sha. Good luck.
This boy thinks say me and am na mate. You don't see wetin you cause. Because of your stubborn head, we don't go draw team wey suppose dey relegation. Why you slap me for head? You get mind slap me for head? Hey man, me and you na mate. You got the left brain. I resemble your last bone. Otila for you. Me and you go sleep for hospital today.